Celebratory. The word celebratory is an adjective that describes something related to or expressing celebration or joy. It is often used to describe events, activities, or objects that are associated with festivities or special occasions. When something is described as celebratory, it means that it is intended to commemorate or mark a happy or significant event. Here are a few examples to illustrate the usage of the word celebratory. 1. The city organized a celebratory parade to honor the team's championship victory. Here, celebratory describes the parade, indicating that it is a joyful and festive event held in honor of the team's success. 2. The couple had a celebratory dinner to mark their 25th wedding anniversary. In this sentence, celebratory suggests that the dinner was a special and joyful occasion to commemorate the couple's long-lasting marriage. 3. The company threw a celebratory party to celebrate its successful merger with another business. In this example, celebratory describes the party, emphasizing that it was a joyous event held to recognize and rejoice in the company's achievement. 4. The school held a celebratory assembly to congratulate the students who had achieved outstanding academic results. Here, celebratory implies that the assembly was a festive gathering arranged to acknowledge and applaud the students' exceptional academic accomplishments. Overall, celebratory is a term used to describe things that are connected to celebration, joy, and special events. It adds a positive and festive tone to the subject it modifies, highlighting the happiness and significance associated with a particular occasion.